happy to see Mommy? You got right up again to go pee. Whoops. Bonk. Careful, Oscar. Hi, Drake. Good boy. You go on the pee-pee pad. Wow. Some of you are smart when you want to be. You peed there. Drake. Drake, you're not supposed to pee-pee there. You're going to have to change your blanket before bed. Hi. You better not pee there, Louie. Louie, go on the pee-pee pad. Go on the pee-pee pad. Hi, my boy. Hi. Hey, Louie. Hello, Oscar. Good boy, Louie. Cruz. Come on, baby. Come on, Cozy Posy. I got my Cruz. You need to poop? Go on the pee-pee pad. You're looking for a nipple on my pants? Hi, baby. Mommy can't disturb the baby. Huh? Watch out. I'm going to clean up the poop. Hi, baby. Hi. Somebody else pooped now. Jeez, Louie. Louie pooped. I'm trying to video the other cute. But gotta stop and clean up poop. Cruz and double mama. Watch out, Oscar. Hi. Hello. Oh, now you're Louie gonna take a poop. Hi, baby. Hi.